Hey students and friends, I'm Dr. Jonate, and today's topic is what happens after you've failed. Have you ever had an emotional breakdown because you failed at something? Have you ever had those feelings of failure and it feels weighty and heavy? I mean, failure hurts. The range of emotions such as sadness, disappointment, anger, feeling depressed, all of those feelings suck, but they're just feelings. And I don't want you, when you're a college student or ever, to get stuck in your feelings and beat yourself up because you failed at something. The reality is, failure is a good thing. It actually helps you learn if you're going in the right direction or not. And that requires a shift in your mindset because we've been taught, sometimes at school or at home, that failure is bad. And some people even take it a step further and they begin to believe that they are bad when they failed, or that they're not good enough, or they lack self-esteem because they failed at something. In other words, our negative thoughts begin to tell us these things such as something's wrong with me, or I'm not good enough, or I'm not smart enough. These are all lies. And I need you to stop that. They're lies. And I want you to embrace failure. I want you to face failure, and I want you to move forward in failure. I need you to get past the emotions of failing and focus in on facts. Because remember, you never fail when you learn a lesson. So for example, if you take the time to reflect and think about, okay, let's say you didn't do well on an exam. You failed an exam. Is there something that you could have done differently and better, such as speaking with your professor, maybe not cramming or waiting to the last minute to study? Perhaps you could have taken better notes, like not just notes in class, but taking notes while you're reading the book. Did you do a practice test? Did you actually read the book? Did you talk to your peers? Did you actually go to a tutor? So there are so many things that you can go back and reflect upon of what you could have done differently and better. And now what I need you to do is not beat yourself up because you failed. I need for you to believe in yourself. And perfection, it's a lie. Even in massive research studies, there's always limitations. There's always aspects of error embedded in studies that people have tested over and over again. So if they're doing that for research, let's look at our personal life, not to beat ourselves up. And remember, you never fail when you learn the lesson. Okay? So that's all that I have for today. So remember, the ability to begin is useless without the willingness to endure. Embrace failure. Keep believing in yourself. I believe in you, and I need you to finish strong.